The over-diversification trap. While less can be more in investing, a lot of people believe in the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This idea has made diversification, spreading your money across different stocks or sectors, a common practice to lower risk. While diversification is important for a good investment plan, there's such a thing as over-diversification, which can actually hurt your returns. Over-diversification happens when you spread your money across too many different investments, thinking it will make things safer. But what often happens is that this leads to average returns because the gains from the winning investments in your portfolio get watered down by all the others that don't perform well. Let's look at why over-diversification can be a problem and why a more focused strategy might help you do better in the market. When you over diversify, your portfolio starts to look a lot like the overall market. This might seem good at first, but if you're trying to beat the market, a portfolio that just mirrors it won't get you there. Think about it like this. If you invest in dozens of different stocks across many sectors, you end up owning a little bit of everything. This can help reduce the risk of losing a lot of money from any one stock, but it also means you won't see much benefit from any one stock doing really well. Your returns will end up looking like the market average, not much better. In other words, your best performing stocks are diluted by the many that perform just okay or even poorly. Over diversification also makes things more complicated. Keeping track of a lot of investments take more time, energy, and resources. You might find yourself making frequent changes, paying high fees, which can reduce your returns. Managing too many investments can also lead to emotional decisions, like panic selling during a downturn or chasing trends that don't pay off. Instead of spreading your money too widely, try a more focused investment strategy. This means concentrating on a few high potential investments where you have knowledge, insight, or see strong growth potential. A focused approach lets you put your money where you believe it will do the best, which can increase your chances of doing better than the market. When you focus your investments, you can spend more time researching, understanding each one. This deeper knowledge helps you see which companies or sectors are undervalued or have great potential for growth. It allows you to invest more confidently in a smaller number of that you truly believe in, which can lead to higher returns. For example, instead of investing in 30 or 40 different stocks, you might choose 8 to 12 that you think have the best chance for growth. These could be companies with strong financial health, innovative products, solid market positions, or promising growth plans. By concentrating on a few high potential stocks, you give yourself a better chance to outperform the market. The strong performers have a bigger impact on your total returns. With fewer stocks to follow, you can learn more about each one. This helps you make smarter decisions and avoid holding onto bad investments. A focused portfolio is easier to manage with fewer trades, lower fees, and less paperwork. This gives you more control and makes it managing your investments simpler. When you understand why you are invested in each stock, you are less likely to make emotional decisions during market ups and downs. You can stick with your strategy and make better long-term choices. And how do you build a focused portfolio? Start by identifying sectors or stocks where you have a good understanding or see potential for strong growth, like good earnings growth, strong competitive positions, and a clear plan for the future. Focus on those that fit your investment goals and risk tolerance. Be selective. Limit your investments to a few high potential stocks that you have researched thoroughly and believe in. Check your portfolio regularly, but don't make changes too often based on short term market noise. Instead, keep your eyes on the long-term potential of your chosen investments. While diversification is important, over-diversification can hold you back and lead to average returns. By focusing on a few strong investments, you increase your chances of beating the market, reduce complexity, and build a portfolio that reflects your best ideas. Remember, investing isn't just about avoiding risk, it's about finding opportunities. By focusing on high quality investments with real growth potential, Set yourself up for better returns and a faster path to reaching your financial goals. Choose a smarter, more focused strategy and leave over diversification behind.